A motorist in a bright yellow car picked a fight with a trucker. The video was captured in Dallas on a trucker's dashcam. The car driver tried to make an illegal pass on the right as the truck was also passing. Then he ignored lane ends and put everyone in dangerous situation. The car driver started brake checking the semi-truck. The truck driver then picked up the phone and called 911. When the motorist saw the trucker calling police, he then stopped doing brake checks.
UMBLEB3, Texas. Yellow Chevy Camaro or Monte Carlo.